Throughout history, fear of change and the unknown has often caused heightened anxiety to countless millions of us in the general public. But if we look closely at history, this fear is often not born out of outcomes. In fact, the past is littered with stories of change that were feared in the early stages, eventually becoming accepted as a necessity, a comfort, or an option. A perfect example of this came early in the 19th century, when electricity would have become an essential tool for modern life. The masses were used to lighting candles and having open flames to illuminate the night, with little regard for the danger of fire. But for many, the idea of an entire home being electrified created a new fear of electrocution. In one famous case, it is said that even though President Benjamin Harrison had electricity installed in the White House, he and his wife would not touch the light switches for fear of electrocution, often resulting in them going to sleep with the lights on. Clearly, in the case of electricity, public opinion has changed dramatically, as is true in so many other cases of societal change. Even though initial fear, followed by acceptance, is a known phenomenon, those same old feelings are still very powerful today, especially with our modern world changing so quickly. One societal change that is occurring today that seems to be following this same path are the feelings surrounding the rise and use of unmanned aerial systems. For many, their only experience with these vehicles come from media reports about them being used by the military for intelligence gathering and defense. Those images, coupled with privacy and safety concerns, is causing some to fear using them back here at home. But many on the front lines of the UAS revolution see tremendous advantages by using these devices in civil applications such as farming, package delivery, wildfire detection, border security, and numerous other uses. Only time, lawmakers, and public opinion will answer the broader societal questions, but one thing is for sure: the technical challenges surrounding these vehicles need to be answered now. Once these vehicles begin to fly regularly here in the U.S., they clearly must be able to work within our current commercial airspace in a safe and integrated way. To make this happen, the government is turning to the world's leading aeronautical organization, NASA, to help develop the framework and lay the groundwork for integration into our airspace. Coming up on this episode of NASA X, we will follow members of NASA's Aeronautics Research Mission Directorate's UAS team as they tackle the major hurdles of integrating these types of vehicles into our daily lives. We'll see how researchers are solving technical challenges as well as concerns around human factors in an effort to one day allow these vehicles to safely integrate into our society.